Alright guys, so we're doing the headlight bulbs on a 2007 Honda Odyssey here. Putting in the M-Tech Platinums, 9005 and 9006s. So you just gotta take the bumper off to get to them. You just gotta take that cowl off with all the clips, and then just the top of the bumper. So you just gotta go in through the fender well here, take the fender liner off, and there's a screw, there's a Phillips screw. And right there are the bolts for the headlight bracket. There's a 10 mil on the side and then two on the front, and then 8 mil on the top, and then another clip. So just pull them out, and also the bumper too just pulls out like a regular bumper once you got everything off. And so start with the low beam, twist it, pull it out, and it's 9006 bulb. And here we're putting in the M-Tech Platinum 9006. And same thing, you just put it in and twist it back in. Just gotta line up all the tabs. Goes in and then lock into place and put the connector back on. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And it'll be the same thing for the high beam as well. So high beam is a 9005 bulb. Just gotta face it that way, twist it up, and put the connector back on. And then do the reverse to install everything back in. So on this side we have, on the driver's side is the Philips, old Philips long life bulbs. Then the M-Tech Platinums on this side. It's a little tough to see the brightness difference in the daytime, but I'm trying to get some nighttime shots of this vehicle. But pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and hope that helps if you're doing this on your own.